All right, YouTube, this is my 2021 Ultra Limited stock Harley pipes. Going down on those bad boys. It's got 6,000 miles on her. And we're gonna make some noise. Stock sound. All right, that's stock. Now let's put some neighbor haters on there. All right, tools you're gonna need. 1/2-inch socket and a 15mm socket or a 15mm wrench, your choice. I'd wear gloves if you wanna not get oil and stuff on your new pipes. Make sure you wipe them down really good, and we're gonna start with the left and then move over to the right. Again, there's 2 bolts right here you gotta take off. And there's another one right up under here. Those are really all it is. The pipes that come from the factory, from Cobra, they're actually marked with an L and an R on them. So we got an L on that one. We got an R on that one. Almost makes it Murphy proof. Stay tuned. Left one off. Alrighty, these things are pretty. I would take a microfiber cloth. I'm wearing rubber gloves so I don't get any oil from my fingers on them that's going to stain them. Take a microfiber cloth, wipe them down really good before you put them on there. All right, Cobra neighbor haters are installed left and right. Let's see how they sound. That'll do, pig. That'll do.